Door closing.
How much? That's only €5 you do that. Get it going, get it going.
Next station.
I don't like carry you.
You gotta.
I'm regular. I'm just regular.
I put you on the bloody Bluetooth. All right, what are you reckon about what are you reckon about I don't know.
What Bruce Lee's
What are you reckon about I don't know.
What Bruce Lee's favorite fruit drink?
Water.
That's his favorite drink.
Water.
But what is his favorite fruit drink? Punch. Bruce Lee.
Well, he got 3 rings.
Three.
He got
What
mad.
do you do?
He got mad, angry, and hate. Which one of me? I'm looking at my status. I'm mad, angry, and then which one of me? I'll see everybody what they say.
I'm putting on Facebook, right?
Now I'm finna give fuck my head up now.
Now I'm tagging a status. Look at you, look your notification.
Hey,
Next station, Kelmscott.
Telescope next station.
We'll go sit on the temple.
Holy shit. There's a fucking nigga, there's a man.
Next station, Kelmscott.
Kelmscott right here now. Piss off, right here. Hey, sexy lady. I'm getting off. I'm getting off. I'm getting off.